Halo, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, grade 4 student. Hopefully you are doing well today. We will meet again in this lesson with me, Miss Vania. We are going to learn about this one, learning and using multiplication fact. Alright, but before that, before we enter into our lesson, I would like to ask you to please prepare your learner's book and open page 14. Are you ready? So for now, our learning objective is this one. After you see this video, hopefully you can increase your understanding of multiplication and division and use inverse operation to solve problem. Alright, but before we entering further to the materials, I would like to ask you about what is multiple. Do you know what is multiple? Well, multiple is like this. So this one is the meaning of multiple. Multiple is a number that can be divided exactly by another number. For example, a multiple of 5 is a number that can be divided exactly with 5 by 5. For example, the multiple of 5 is 5, 10, 15, and 20. That all that number can be divided by 5 like that. So that is multiple of 5. So here I have chart for you. This one is called as multiplication chart from 10 to 10. How to read it? This one is very helpful for us to do multiplication. For example, here this one is row, this one is column, right? So when I have a question to you, like for example, 6 multiplied by 2, the things that you need to do is look at the 6 in the row and then go down and look at the side, which is in the column, and find 2. So here, 6, go down, and then 2 here. It means that when we have 6 multiplied by 2, the answer will be 12. Here is another example. For example, I have 4 times 4. How many is it? So 4, go down, and then we have 4 here. So the answer will be 16. So 4 multiplied by 4 will be 16. That multiplication chart is very helpful for us to do it more efficiently. All right. Now, here, there are so many multiplication facts that you need to know. For example, multiples of 2, it will be n in 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. As you can see here, I have figure here, some number that multiplied by 2, it will be n in 2, 4, 6, 8, and 0, and so on like that. So this one is the pattern. Then that is the multiplication fact that you need to know. Here is another example of multiplication fact. For example, multiple of 5, it will be n in 0 or 5. You maybe you can check it in the multiplication chart that I already showed to you before. And another multiplication fact is multiple of 10, it will be n in 0 like that. So I have a question for you here. When I ask you how many trucks here, maybe some of you will count the trucks here one by one. So this picture, we call it as array. Maybe some of you will count it just one by one and you will find the number. But maybe some of you will also do it by repeated addition. For example, as you know that we have 4 trucks in each column, right? In each row, in each row. 4 trucks in each row. So means that in the first row there are 4 trucks. In the second row there are 4 trucks again, and so on. So we have like repeated addition, 4 plus 4 plus 4. Maybe some of you will do that, or maybe some of you also will do something like this. You will calculate it based on multiplication. As you know that we have row and column here, we have 4 trucks in the row and we have 3 trucks in the column. It means that you will do like this, for example. 4 multiplied by 3 Or maybe you can do also like this, based on the column and then multiple by the row. We have 3 trucks in the column and we have 4 trucks in the row. So we do like this, 3 times 4. So how many is it? Yes, it will be 12 trucks here. So yeah, that is for array, how you count the object in array. So I have another question for you. For example, can you relate multiplication to another mathematical operation? So as I already mentioned you before, to all of you before, that multiplication is inverse from the division, right? As you can see here, if I have 3 multiplied by 5, or maybe you can change the position, become 5 multiplied by 3, it will be inverse to division like this. Then 15 divided by 3, it will be 5. So this number is related to each other, right? And 15 divided by 5, it will be 3. So this is mean that you can inverse from multiplication to the division. All right. Maybe that's all from for my video lesson today. Hopefully you can have better understanding. And if you have like another question related to our topic today, hopefully that you can ask me in Zoom meeting after this, or maybe you can chat me through WhatsApp. Thank you so much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.